Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a live swatch of the Orly Lisa Frank collection collaboration. There are 6 cream kind of crelly-ish formula, very bright, almost neon kind of shades in the collection, and then 2 toppers. So let's go ahead and get into the review. All right, we're going to run through the cream shades first. This one's called Easy Tiger, and you're going to find that all of these do apply pretty much identically. So we have actually a crelly formulation for all of these brights, almost neon shades. So it's crelly in the fact that it is in between a cream and a jelly finish. It's just a little bit squishy. In fact, if you try to go for just one coat, you might find a little streakiness. So I recommend doing 2 coats, and we have beautiful, high saturated, like I said, almost neon shades for all of these. Just gorgeous. Next, we have In Your Zorbit, and this is the very, very bright lime green. And this one and the green and the yellow are the squishiest. Definitely need a little bit more coatage, but definitely gorgeous when built up in 2 coats. This is my really teeny tiny nail right now, guys. Last weekend, I ripped 2 nails down so far when we were cleaning the garage, and I didn't want to put off swatching this video for you any longer, even though this one nail is just a little nubbin. So forgive my poor little nubbin nail, but I think these do look really, really cute on shorties. Next up, we have Make a Splash. So like I said, pretty much all of these polishes swatch the same. So I'm going to talk to you about where I shopped for the collection while you watch me swatch through the collection. So I purchased these at Ulta. I shopped them online, but I purchased them for pickup in store, just because I never know. Sometimes Ulta just puts stuff in a box and doesn't really put too much good packaging material in there. So I wanted to make sure that they got to me safe and sound. But then I noticed that Orly has these on their website as well right now. So I will link both of those websites in the description bar of the video. But just a heads up, they come in 2 trios of the cream brights, and then the 2 toppers are sold separately. So, if you're going to get any of the crelly creams, you need to get 3 at a time. So just a heads up on that. And I don't have a place where you can shop for these for our more budget-friendly shoppers. I did have to purchase all of these polishes at full price. So another thing to keep in mind, and since these are kind of brights that you have probably something similar in your collection, I think that the 2 toppers are the stars of the show, really. And unless you're an incredible fan of Lisa Frank, I bet that you can find something similar in your collection to these bright crellies. Bringing me to conclude that I don't really think that the collection as a whole is a must-have unless you're a super, super Lisa Frank fan. However, that being said, I have a couple of littles at my house that enjoy nail polish as much as I do, and having the whole set is going to make for a lot of fun nail manicures that we can do together, pedicures, and I think that the toppers are especially super, super cute with these bright shades. So as always, I just give you my thoughts and feelings on the collection. You watch me swatch it live, and then you have, a more full picture to make your purchasing decisions off of. Again, here's my little teeny tiny shorty nail, and we're swatching the last crelly in the collection right here, the kind of highlighter yellow. And next we're going to go on to the toppers. So overall, in my opinion, I think if you're a hardcore collector like me, you really do need these 2 toppers. So first up, we have Hits the Spot. This one is the one that has all of the neon hexes. It also has a little hollow dust in there to fill in the spaces, and it has these adorable star glitters. I got a lot of glitter out in just one pass. You don't need to load up 2 coats of this glitter. And here I'm swatching it over the purple Make a Splash. I did have to dab and try to get a little star right right here just for the live swatch. But when I went to go paint this polish on all my nails, I didn't have any trouble getting a star out on each nail. So I don't know why I had trouble that first time, but it really wasn't the kind of glitter that I had to, that was hard for me to get what I wanted out. And the second topper is called Star Glaze. This one's a combination of iridescent shimmer and that little hollow dust. And I wasn't sure how much I was going to love this, but once I got it on the nail, it is just so delicate, so twinkly, and super, super fun. Incredibly flirty, feminine, so cute. I think that the little shimmers in there are probably like a light purpley blue, but I liked this a lot more than I thought I would. Alright guys, so what did you think? Are you going to be picking up any of these shades? For me and my collection, because I am an avid collector, probably all of the straight cream Crelly formula polishes in this collection are not things that my collection is lacking. But like I said earlier, if you're an ultimate Lisa Frank fan, this is definitely a collectible item for you, and I think you're going to love it. So all in all, I thought this collection was so, so cute. Thanks for joining me for this video today, and I will see you back for another live application review very soon. Bye!